Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing we're talking about gifting to spouses and the implications for tax. Okay, had a lot of emails. A lot of folks have asked me about gifting and the lack of tax associated therewith. Understand there's sort of two. Again, I'm not a Thai attorney. I'm an American attorney. I'm a tax attorney in the United States. This is something of an informational video to provide some comparative legal analysis regarding how things work in Thailand and taking it from the perspective of somebody like me to provide maybe some insight and nuance to folks out there. But long story short, what are we talking about here? Spousal gifting in Thailand is slightly different than just gifting. There's a different threshold. There's a higher amount that can be gifted from a person to their spouse, their children, or their parents. So sort of close interpersonal family gifting, if you want to call it that, nuclear family gifting, if you kind of want to look at it like that, that has a different threshold than just standard gifting. And again, if you're under the threshold of the gift, there may be no tax liability associated with it whatsoever. This is one of the reasons why people have contacted us asking about spousal gifting and whether or not that's a viable option in certain scenarios where they're trying to mitigate any type of tax liability, basically. Long story short, again, this is going to vary depending on your circumstances, whether or not this is going to be something to do. It's not something you want to just read about on the internet and then just go out and do it and sort of think that that's sort of the way to do things. Because at the end of the day, if it's not done formally correctly, and it doesn't basically cross all the T's and dot all the I's, you could really find yourself in some real trouble, especially with respect to accessibility and liability associated with taxes here in the Kingdom of Thailand.